everyone, it's Mark Repp from Port Huron Schools, and it's time for another tech tip. Today I'm going to show you how to send a read receipt in Gmail so that you can find out if and when an email you've sent is actually read. It really works, and here's how. First, I'm going to compose an email message like I normally would by clicking on the Compose button in the top left corner, and I'm going to send this message to myself. I'll type my subject. It's going to be a very important message, asking my recipient to read the message immediately. Now, instead of sending it like you normally would by pressing the Send button, instead what you're going to do is go down to the lower right-hand corner right by the trash can, and you'll see a little arrow. And if you hover your mouse over it, you'll see that it says More Options. When I click on the arrow, you'll see a pop-up message, and what I'm going to do is choose Request Read Receipt. I click on Request Read Receipt, and now I'm ready to send it. So I'm going to click the blue Send button, again like I normally would, and off goes the message. Now when I click on the Sent Mail link, you'll see that I sent this important message, and if I click on it, you'll see that it says that I requested a read receipt for this message. Now I just received that message, and it says Read Important Message. I click on the important message, and you'll see that because I looked at it and because I read it, I received a receipt that said that Mark Repp has received it, it was sent, and it was read on this particular date. So I sent the message, I received it, and then I read it. Now I have not replied. In fact, what I could do is I could actually trash the message, and the sender of that message would still get this read receipt that tells when the message was read. All you really want in a read receipt is to find out when the message was read and whether the person received it. There's the date, there's the time. That's all you really need to know about sending a read receipt. You've seen it from the sender's point of view and from the recipient's point of view. Now you can't say that there's no way to find out when your message was read. And that's today's tech tip. I'm Mark Repp.